Here we're looking at gold, and we're really seeing this continue to run a little sideways. I mean, it's had its attempts to try to really rally higher. It came back down to test the prior low. Basically had a double bottom in here. And when we see this attempt here, kind of a ABC. I thought we'd see maybe a little more extended on the C. We saw this really pretty much almost double top right there, and then saw a pretty exaggerated move there to the downside. Now we see it try to recover and then another plunge lower. We are seeing some divergence here, and this is what you're trying to look for to see a change in trend as it's trying to come back into these ranges. Keep in mind, here is major support at this 110 level, and this is where I said we could start to return to kind of do almost a triple bottom. But keep in mind that a lot of times on the third wave, you don't see it come even in close, because keep in mind, sometimes you see this slight upward trend, and so to think that it's going to be exactly at those lows isn't always the case. Sometimes they take out the stops here and then you see the quick turn. So watch for either two of those scenarios, the short, just short of that target, or the turn there. But I think we're really seeing it try to come out of it, but on the short term still looks like we're still having a little bit of trouble doing so. When we look at this in the on the as I was saying, on the short term, you could see the divergence. It's improving there, but it's still not able to really get its head up over this average and the midpoint of this channel. But it's starting to try to still honor this prior pivot low around the 111.50. I would watch for that. Any break of that, I think you see that 110 level, but it's trying to kind of find its low right in here, and I'd watch for trying to base out a little bit, then try to take its turn.